If we have a watershed that we want to evaluate, maybe we have a main stem with several tributaries, and all of the land that drains to that watershed. If we know that we have impairment at the mouth, we then need to track out where that impairment's coming from. And to do that, we used a phased sampling approach. Phase 1 reconnaissance, we will use surrogate parameters like pH and conductivity at tributary mouths and along the main stem to determine where the impairment at the mouth of the watershed is coming from. So phase 1 is a reconnaissance phase. Sometimes we just call it recon or holler crawling. With phase 2, now we have to find the places that we've identified impairment. So let's say we have dead fish here and poor water quality. So now we need to investigate this subwatershed and this subwatershed to determine what the source of the impairment that we found at this mouth and this mouth of these tributaries are. So we'll then establish sample locations up each of these subwatersheds, and we'll do long-term monitoring. This will allow us to see how the pollutants change over seasons and to figure out if there's flow dependence and really suss out where it would make sense to install a treatment system or some other mitigation. So with phase 3, now we've identified one location where we want to install a treatment system. But in order to design treatment, we need to know really detailed water quality. And so we'll do a design and treatment sampling where we really focus in on this area and collect the data that we need to design a treatment system to deal with this problem to improve the water quality all the way downstream.